course we're at the beach playing RC cars. It's the beginning of summer. Yeah, that little kid can drive. Hey everybody, long time no video. Well, it's been a busy week, lots of drama. But we won't talk about my work week. We're going to talk about where do I like to go to get coffee. And the best way to go get coffee is in a Porsche you helped save. That happens to be a 911 Carrera Cabriolet, a 996 version. I haven't posted the video yet, but I got everything fixed except for the seat I'm sitting on, but that's okay. So we're gonna go get some coffee because I have a dear friend I haven't talked to in the longest time, and I recently got to send him some messages, and I'm gonna send him some coffee. Automatic, man, don't have to pay attention. You know? Oh. I woke you up and now you like play with me? You're so sweet. If you ever want to know why I daily drive my Porsche all the time, it's because my truck, this is my Toyota Tundra, gets that gas mileage right there. Woo! And me driving like an idiot in the Porsche gets twice that. And if I drive it mellow, it's almost triple that. And I do mean almost, because I hardly ever drive it mellow. But if I'm on the freeway, long distance, which happens on Saturdays when I take the little boy to tennis. Oh, what a beautiful morning. I need to do an update. Stand by. We need to do the math and figure out where we are with my Porsche 996 on where it stands and how much money I'm donating to the next owner, because I need to sell that car. I want to sell two cars because I want to buy a different car this summer. Did you hear that? Someone's got a loud ass boombox. Oh my god, that just flew past. Whoops. I feel like this has been a very difficult week for me to do my YouTube hobby. I did make it to the Green World Coffee, and I was able to get some premium coffee. This one is the North Shore Blend. This is the one I drink. So I bought it for a friend, had it ground, I need to ship it out. And I'm going to give him an OECC t-shirt, since I am still, they didn't kick me out, the current president of the car club. And it's just a Facebook group, but we do the meetups. I had a couple meetups, the little video with some of the kids acting a little kitty-like, I don't know, but they're all cool. They're really nice people. I didn't want them to blow up the spot. I don't want my little neighborhood, everybody knows my car, so I don't want me to be associated with the shenanigans, so maybe my next car club will not be as close to home. Yeah. That Porsche 996, I've been driving a lot, almost every day, since I got the windows fixed, and I'm kind of proud of myself. The next thing I need to do is fix the seat, the stitches pulled, and I would like to fix that for as low cost as possible, because fixing it correctly is about a little over $2,000 for the seat, because it's got special leather, and the leather's not cheap, and they charge a lot to do it, and then not have to do both seats. That's $4,000. So that's just another thing that I was like, oh, I do not want to do. And I'm really mad that when I had fixed the car, everything on it, both windows took a dump, but I was able to fix the one, and the other one just pulled up, and now it worked. But I have a feeling, because of the way I took it apart, that when it slides up, there's 2 bolts that hold the bracket, and there's one on the bottom. I think the bottom one, I bet you both windows have been reviewed, and they took that regulator out and they put that one back in, and they put it at an angle so it's like sliding hard against the top when it comes up. I'm not sure, but I want to make an adjustment and bring it out just like 1 to 2 millimeters. And I'm going to figure out how to stitch a seat. And that's pretty much it. Trying to spend time with the kid because it's going to be like a really busy summer. So I'm going to travel. He's going to travel. Have friends come out. Just had a crazy month of work. So I'm still a little wound up from that. But aside from that, everything is good. I don't know what I'm going to do next for that car. The status of the cars. Let's do that. Status of the Porsches in Mr. Kai's garage. Let's see. The white Porsche 991. It needs nothing. The Porsche 997. It needs nothing. I do want to redo the tint on it, but that's not something I'm going to do. I don't know how to tint a car, and I hate stuff I don't know how to do. It's 996, still has a list of little things it needs to do. Just need to fix that darn seat, and then I'll probably list it again for sale. I have to figure out what I want to do with the hardtop. And that's it. I haven't decided what I'm going to do. That car is a little bit more drama than I thought it would be. I'm not satisfied. I'm satisfied with the way it drives. I'm just mad that little dumb stuff breaks, and it makes me hate old cars. And I hope it doesn't make me so mad that I sell it at a giant loss. I know I'm going to lose money on it because, like, my whole thought on the price is when I saw it, and I knew that it was a rare car. So, in 2003, Porsche made 5,300 cabriolets. And then 4,900 of those are Carrera. So a lot of the other ones are turbo cabriolet. So there's not a lot of turbo cabriolets. So they made 4,900 cabriolets. And now, how many of them are full leather, premium audio, or actually, forget all that stuff. How many have a factory aero kit on it? Because that that aero kit is pricey and expensive, and it's a factory installed option. So the car is rare, so there's not a lot of them. I'm willing to bet factory aero cabriolets, there's probably less than 100. And I could be wrong. I was trying to look that up. Hey, if anybody knows how many factory aero cabriolets were made for a 996, or specifically a 2003, I would love to know. Thank you for watching. Aloha. Like, comment, complain, subscribe. Definitely watch some of the other videos. This one has very little continuity because it's just been that type of week.